How to make a custom game in chess.com app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily make a custom game in your chess.com app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your chess.com app, and then once you are in your chess.com app, here tap on play, then here tap on more, and here in more you will see custom game. Tap on it, and here you can select the time, so tap on here to select the time. Then here you can tap on more time controls and you will get more time controls. Then here you can select versus, you want to play with friends or versus a computer. Then here you can select type, standard chess 960, balance odds. Then here you can turn on rated game or turn it off. Then here you can select this, and here if you go to open challenges, here you can play with other people that have created custom games. And now to play the custom game you can tap on play or tap on create a link, tap on agree, and you can again tap on create a link, and then you can copy this link and share it with your friends. If you want to share directly you can tap on share, and then you can share the link directly with your friends to Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and these other apps. And so this is how you can create a custom game in chess.com app. Thanks for watching.